Food Fun Finance, we are here. Strange Taco, let's go. So what's your favorite thing on the menu?
My favorite thing on the menu?
Yeah.
I would have to say the fried mahi.
The fried who?
You want to take their order?
No. I don't know how to work on
the fried what?
The fried mahi.
Mahi? Oh, okay.
I would say that's the best taco.
What's the most popular?
San Antonio.
San Antonio?
Yeah.
So Food Fun Finance, we are back. Yes, we are. We are here at Strange Taco. Strange Taco. So we got the Strange Taco. We got the orange slice, draft beer. Yes. The awesomeness. This is actually good. Orange. It really tastes like lime slice beer, but it's pretty good. I also got this because I never got this before. This is Dry County Spirits Vodka Blue Lemonade. I don't know what that is. It looked cool to me, so I was like, let me try it. I might like it. Who knows? It's really sweet. It's like a wine cooler. It kind of reminds me of Limerita, but like lemonade and berries. I like this. It's like, it's refreshing. That's what it makes you feel like you want to do after you drink it. Just like that. Yeah, let's jump into the sexy food, man. So this is the fried shrimp, coconut shrimp. And this is the San Antonio fried chicken, bacon, crispy onions, and goat cheese. And that is the mahi-mahi with sauce on top, corn around it, and all that other stuff. And this is the pastor, you know, the OG stuff. So we're gonna dive into this one right quick. Come on, get this action right here. Their sauce is awesome. It got a little kick to it now. It tastes like a spicy chili sauce. We're going to Texas with this one, man. San Antonio, here it comes. So that definitely has a kick to it too. I think that sauce has a kick to it too. Everything is most definitely spicy. I wouldn't say spicy, but that's not spicy. But stay tuned. So far, so good. Food Fun Finance. I'm really digging Strange Taco. I think it's gonna be a go. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm gonna try some more tacos just for you guys. Let's go. Thank you. It's about that time. Yes, it is. Hamburger taco, chicken and cheese taco, another package. Yes. Are you ready to dive in? It doesn't matter because I'm ready to dive in. So let's go. Tots. Not fox. Tots. Food fun, finance, the review time, environment. I like the environment. They got like a little mellow mode going on through here. You know, like you can eat on the inside, you can eat on the outside. Who can argue with that? It's just really cold. I guess today, I don't know. We're in October, so we are gonna give the environment a 4.0. We're gonna give the environment a 4.0. Now we're gonna roll into the customer service. You'll see in the video, I don't even know his name, homeboy, the chicken fryer. He was real hyped up. He seen us, he ran from the back like, hey, and he was all up in the camera. It was awesome. Customer service was great. I appreciate stuff like that. That's part of the customer service. The feel, the vibe that you get when you are in these places. So, customer service, 5. Let's go. 5 to stay alive. The food. It was like, we got a lot of tacos. We almost got everything on the menu that didn't stand out as saying that it was spicy. So, even though for my spicy lovers out there are things that we tasted that were spicy, there are things that are caliente, that are really hot, that you could check out on the menu. But, you know, it's entirely up to you if that's, you know, your palate and that's the type of stuff that you like to get into. Me, personally, I don't get into the hot stuff. So, with that being said, the food was 4.5 to me. I really enjoyed the chicken queso taco. And I know anybody out there in YouTube land who likes spices will love this place. The pricing, I think, is perfect for a cheap date because everything is real affordable. Tacos are a nice portion. Like, I'm a bigger guy, so it took me like three, four tacos and some tater tots. The pricing was good. I really enjoyed it. So our overall everything was like $60. And really, the first order that we did, it was like $40. That's for the drink, the alcohol, and the food. I think that was amazing. It was pretty decent. So, pricing, I give it a 4.5. I really digged it, most definitely. Food Fun Finance, you got the review. We here at Strange Taco. You should come check it out. It's most definitely a go.